Welcome to the Siemens E-house virtual tour. I will guide you through the E-house substation, showing you our comprehensive energy and automation portfolio. Gas-insulated medium-voltage switchgear NX+C is the multi-tool for primary distribution. Siemens S8 low-voltage switchboard has benefits from a modular switchboard with a high level of reliability. Fire protection system provides a wide range of flexibility you need for your building requirements. NX Power Monitor app for power distribution is a cloud-based application to monitor and visualize your electrical assets. Gas-insulated medium-voltage switchgears 8DA and 8DB are the modular power pack for primary distribution. Your Siemens E-house advantages at a glance. Air-insulated medium-voltage switchgear NX Air is a high-end technology in best form. Siemens Control provides digital intelligence for your Siemens S8 Plus. Substation automation with Siemens provides flexible control and monitoring system that sets standards. Installation on an elevated level provides advantages for installation of field cabling. E-house solutions with Siemens. The fast-track project approach for critical project timelines.